first we'll start with a light sketch of Vegeta's head and body. Begin with a circle for the head. Remember, this is just the foundation, so keep your lines light and easy to erase. Next, let's add details to Vegeta's face. Draw the eyes, nose and mouth, capturing his fierce expression. Pay attention to the shape of his eyes and the intensity in his gaze. Vegeta's alter ego form is all about power and confidence. Now let's move on to Vegeta's iconic hair in his alter ego form. His hair is spiked and more intense. Start from the forehead and work your way up, creating sharp defined spikes. Take your time with this step to get the hair just right. With the face and hair done, let's add Vegeta's outfit and body details. Don't forget to add the muscles definition to emphasize his strength. Finally, let's bring Vegeta to life with some color. Use shades of blue for his outfit and don't forget the purple aura that signifies his alter ego form. Add shading to give depth and dimension to your drawing.
Howdy.
And there you have it guys, Vegeta Ultra Ego in all his glory. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more awesome drawing tutorials. See you next time.